Chicken Caesar pasta salad. Comes together in under 30-35 minutes. It's got chicken in it, onions, tomatoes, croutons, celery. Excellent with cookouts, barbecues, or any type of side dish or as a good snack or lunch. If you want to see how I made this, keep watching. Hi, here's the ingredients for chicken Caesar pasta salad. Well, I have some chicken breasts here. I have 3. And I'll have the link in the description box. That's from my baked Caesar chicken recipe. And I have 3 pieces left. I had them in the freezer. I'm going to be using fresh Parmesan cheese. Now, traditionally for a Caesar salad, you do not have tomatoes, but I'm going to use some grape tomatoes because I think it'll make it look prettier for you guys. You definitely need croutons. I'm going to use penne pasta. You can use any kind of pasta you have on hand. It's not important. Pick your favorite Caesar dressing. I'm going to use great Brianna's, which you guys know is my ultimate favorite. It has Asiago cheese and a lot of different herbs in it, and it's darker than your traditional Caesar salad. I'm going to use the last of my cracked black pepper. I'm going to add a red onion, slices, not much. It's not traditional in a Caesar salad, but I'm making this for mostly if you guys want to use it for a potluck, a cookout, or a barbecue. I got some fresh parsley for garnish. And I omitted the romaine lettuce. Number 1, I don't like it. It's my least favorite lettuce. Number 2, you have to add it at the last minute or it'll be soggy and gooey. And I'm taking this to work tomorrow for a friend. He's going to take half of it for me. And I'm going to add some celery just for some crunch, because other than that, it would all totally be soft. So welcome to my channel. I'm Jennifer. Channel for quick, easy, quick night meals. People don't want to cook, don't know how to cook, don't like to cook. This is very simple. It takes less than 15 minutes. Like I said, that chicken is from another video. You can use baked chicken, boiled chicken, roasted chicken. You can buy a whole chicken from a rotisserie chicken from the store and shred it. Use dark meat, white meat, whatever is easiest for you. I'm just using the leftover chicken breast that I have from my recipe. So I already have a pot of water boiling. I'm waiting for it to come to boil, and I'll add the penne pasta. Turn the camera around. Let's get cooking. I'm going to show you quickly how I'm going to do my onions. You can do them chopped, but I like them thin and little thin slices for this. Plus, for people who don't like onions, they're easier to pull out. I'm not going to put a whole lot in there, just a few. And I got this beautiful knife from Knife Saga. Did a collaboration with me a few months ago, and I'm still very grateful. This knife is razor sharp. So yeah, and it never needs sharpening. So if you're looking for a knife set, that's definitely a good knife set to check out online. This is the carrot, and like I said, Caesar salad doesn't come with carrots, but since I'm omitting the romaine, I'm using carrots just to give it just a little bit of crunch. And I'm just cutting them not too big or not too small. I'm not into a fine dice. I want you to be able to see them and find them. I'm big on people who don't like things to pull them out. I'm not a fan of tomatoes, but it definitely makes the salad look prettier. And since I'm sharing this with a dear friend at work, I'm trying to make it extra pretty, especially for you guys. If you guys like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. You guys know I upload 2 videos a week. Those that know me, welcome back. And I always include an inspirational quote until a controversial joke. As you see, this is nothing fancy. I'm just cutting this up for some crunch. Just to show you how I'm doing this. Like so. Don't want to cut a finger off. And wanted to show you for the onions, I'm just going to also do another slice through here like that and cut them into quarters, so they're nice little ring size to go on the salad. And I'm going to use about 3 cups of pasta. And to cut the chicken, and basically, now if you like it shredded, use 2 forks. I like my chicken in chunks, unless it's in enchiladas or tacos or a pulled chicken sandwich, then I definitely like it shredded. So I'm just cutting it in strips like this. Then I'm cutting it again and have dice chicken chunks like so. I have 3 breasts here. And another tidbit I learned from an older woman: for people who have food security or don't like to waste food, I always wonder why a good friend of mine's mother never had food in the refrigerator. So whether she cooked a pot roast or other than pasta, like lasagna, but spaghetti or something like that, she always immediately, when she cleaned her kitchen, she put everything into meal-sized portions and put it in the freezer. So whenever you were hungry, you wanted something to eat later in the week or one day, you could just go in the freezer. It was labeled and marked, and you could take it out, roast beef, pot roast, lasagna, whatever, and thaw it out and cook it. I mean, and warm it up in the microwave and oven it, or eat it. And most things cook, keep in the refrigerator, in the freezer, for at least a month to 2 months once it's been cooked. So that's one way, like I said, save on food. Because if you cook something like a pot roast or something, you put it in the fridge, after a couple of days, if it's not eaten, you'll have to throw it out. And she freezes everything, so I always thought that was pretty cool to never have any leftover food in her refrigerator. So I'm just showing you how I'm cutting this up into chunks. And I may cut them a little smaller, just for the sake of being easier to eat. So I'm going to put you guys on pause. My pasta water is boiling. I'm going to add the pasta and some salt. Another tidbit, never add the salt until the pasta water is boiling. That's a little science for you, and you have to salt your pasta. If you don't while it's cooking, that's your only chance you get to season your pasta. And since this is my baked Caesar chicken recipe, that's why there's Parmesan cheese that's been cooked on top of parsley for extra flavor. This is not necessary, but I don't like to waste anything, so that's why I planned to make this when I cooked the chicken breast for my baked Caesar chicken recipe. Let me put you guys on pause, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've got my pasta cooked and drained. I did rinse it a little bit, but it's still a little bit warm. You can probably see some steam coming off of it. And then from here, I'm going to add the chicken. That's the 3 chicken breasts. And I'm going to add the rotini. This is the last half of the bottle from the baked Caesar chicken recipe I made. Like I said, that link will be in the description box. If you want to see how I made that chicken, why the chicken looked like it did. I'm going to go ahead and stir this up. And always have extra if you can. If not, because the pasta will absorb a lot of your sauce. And if you're serving it tomorrow, at least let this chill for 4 hours. But if you are serving this tomorrow and you're going to use the romaine lettuce, add the romaine lettuce tomorrow and the croutons tomorrow. And what you want to do also is, if you're out of extra salad dressing, then definitely use a little bit of milk. I didn't get this open. Let me go ahead and add cucumber in the slice, and sliced onions. Add as many or as little as you like. Like I said, this isn't necessary, it's not traditional in a Caesar salad. And I cut up some of the grape tomatoes, not all of them. They're heirloom, so they're in different colors. I did that for you guys so it would look pretty. I'm gonna add some cracked black pepper. I don't have a lot left, but I'm gonna go ahead and try and use all this up. The cracked black pepper does definitely add extra flavor. Put that in there. I'm going to add about half a cup of Parmesan cheese to this. I'm going to put you guys on pause so I can fight with that bottle and get the other bottle of dressing. Okay, got it. So I like my salads really wet, so add as much dressing as you like. It's like an eyeball thing. No disgrace to the Italians who add sauce to their pasta to their sauce. I like more sauce than pasta, so anytime I order it out, anything with the sauce, a marinara, Alfredo, I always ask for more sauce on the side. And I just want to make sure this is definitely well coated. Like I said, it'll sit in the refrigerator and it will absorb a lot of it overnight and be tight. So definitely, like I said, have a little milk or some extra dressing on the side. When you stir that all together, see how quick this comes together, and it's really pretty, like I said, for a cookout or a barbecue or something like that. Just make sure the onions are separated. I'm going to add some parsley to this. You don't have to, but definitely adds a little bit of flavor, makes it look better. So this is a quick, easy. You can have this for lunch, you can have it for dinner, you can have it with crackers, you can have it as a side dish. Like I said, at cookouts or barbecues, it is absolutely delicious, and it pretty much depends on the dressing you choose. Choose whichever dressing you like, or make it homemade. You know, my channel is not about homemade, it's about quick, fast, and easy. So I'm going to turn the camera around and get ready to tell you guys my joke. I did not add the croutons. I'm going to add some on top of the pictures because I'm going to take half of this to my friend at work. I'm going to give her Parmesan cheese and croutons on the side to add. That's another note. You don't want to add these now because serve it tomorrow, they'll be soft. There you have it, you guys. Chicken Caesar pasta salad comes together in just long enough for you to chop everything up and cook your pasta. And like I said, you can use any kind of pasta you like. I went with penne and I put some extra Parmesan on top and just enough croutons for me to eat tonight. Because like I said, if you add romaine lettuce, add it at the last minute before you serve it, and add your croutons at the last minute. So I'm going to scoop all those off, eat, And then I have some left. This isn't the whole entire bowl. I'm going to take the rest to work for my girlfriend, who I love affectionately, Pooh Bear. So I'm going to thank you guys for watching. Let me tell you guys my joke. Okay guys, one evening a man gave his tipsy secretary a ride home after an office party. His wife was prone to jealousy, so he didn't mention the incident to her. Later in the evening, he was driving his wife to a restaurant when he noticed a stiletto-heeled shoe half hidden under the passenger seat. Gripped with terror, he took advantage of a moment when she wasn't looking to grab the shoe and throw it out the window. The rest of the journey went well until he arrived at the restaurant. "That's strange," said his wife, looking a little agitated. "Have you seen my other shoe?" Wow, I thought that was kind of cute. Well, anyway, I just want to thank you guys for watching. God bless. Please hit the subscribe button and comment. More importantly, I really enjoy the comments. And this salad is absolutely delicious. If you like Caesar salad, for pasta salad, that's why I added pasta to it. Make it a chicken Caesar pasta salad. A lot of flavor. Pick your favorite Caesar dressing and definitely keep some on the side for the next day or later because it will tighten up. Pasta absorbs the sauce perfectly. And I like my stuff, like I said, really, really saucy. I don't like it where it's kind of tight. So hope to see you guys on the next one. God bless you and your family always.